Hey, what's up guys, this is the Second Game YouTube channel. So we have got recent news that Xiaomi is building a new folding screen smartphone coming before the new Xiaomi tablet. So let's get started. So now you can say that the folding phone has won customers' heart and is going in a trend. Any product released in this category has become a star, like the Samsung Galaxy Folds, and many customers are waiting for the next generation models also for it to become more durable and more promising. According to a Weibo blogger, the new Xiaomi folding screen smartphone is expected to be unveiled before the Xiaomi tablet goes live. It would be a device with a large screen and a high refresh rate with powerful performance and high pixel lens. Not long ago, the same blogger had revealed that some of the current Xiaomi folding engineering machine, it should adopt an internal folding solution and will come next year. Appearance design is much better than of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold2. In March of this year, Xiaomi had applied to World Intellectual Property Office for a design patent for a folding screen smartphone. It was approved in September. Then Let's Go Digital designed a number of renderings of the Xiaomi folding screen based on this patent. According to the patent picture, the Xiaomi folding screen phone adopts the design of the internal folding main screen plus external secondary screen similar to the Samsung Galaxy Fold. The four rear cameras are arranged vertically and the flash is located at the side of the lens. So now prior to this, is there any real Xiaomi folding screen in the works? We learned that the new Xiaomi folding phone, codenamed as Cetus, is running on the MIUI system on Android 11 and is equipped with an 108 megapixel main camera, and the current engineering machine refresh rate is as high as 90 Hz, but it can be 120 Hz, and it must use the Samsung UTG, which is the ultra thin flexible glass. According to a latest report by the supply chain consultancy company, the share of panel procurement in the third and fourth quarters of 2020 will both exceed 90% and the annual share would be 87%. This means that Samsung is still leader in the foldable smartphone market. But however, with the entry of smartphone manufacturers such as Vivo, Xiaomi and even Apple, Samsung may no longer be the number one in the folding screen smartphone market. So this is what we have for today, guys. What do you think about the new folding trend? Is it good? What do you think about? So let us know in the comments section. Subscribe the Eastern Gaming YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.